Hello everyone, I am your Shobha ma'am, your English teacher. Today I am going to teach you all chapter number 4, Gita's Breakfast. This lesson is very interesting. This lesson is about a small girl called Geeta. She lives with her family of mother, father, two elder sisters and her grandparents. This chapter revolves around the morning scenario in a family. Geeta wakes up in the morning in a very playful way to find out that all are busy in their own ways. In the process, Geeta will have her breakfast with all the family members, but at the end, she says that she has not eaten anything for her breakfast. So children, come, let's find out from this lesson whether Geeta had her breakfast or not. Let us see the animated video of Geeta's breakfast. Geeta's breakfast. In this lesson, there are 7 characters. Let's see the characters. Geeta's 2 elder sisters, Usha and Uma. Geeta's Amma and Tata. Geeta's Appa. And Geeta's Party, the grandmother. Usha and Uma are having breakfast. They have to go to school. Little Geeta is on the bed. She thinks she is riding a horse, but it is a pillow. Suddenly, Geeta smells something. She gets off her horse and runs to the kitchen. That smells nice. May I have some toast too? She asks Amma. Amma gives Geeta toast with jam. Toast with jam is crunchy and sweet. Geeta loves it. She is enjoying her toast with jam. Usha and Uma have finished their breakfast. They pick up their bags and wave goodbye to Geeta. They go off to school. Amma wipes Geeta's sticky face. Geeta goes back to the bedroom. Her horse has gone. It has become a hill. Appa has made the beds. Geeta climbs upon the pillow. Now she pretends she is riding a camel. Her camel is very high. The hump of the camel is just right for Geeta to hold. Suddenly, Geeta hears the sound of a spoon tinkling in a tumbler. Amma is making coffee for Tata. Geeta jumps off her camel. Riding a camel is hard work, so she wants to drink milk. She runs to the kitchen again. I want some milk, Amma, and may I have a drop of coffee in my milk? Geeta asks Amma. So Geeta gets a cup of milk with a little coffee in it. She drinks it up quickly. There is some milk around her mouth. It looks like a mustache. Amma wipes it off. Soon it is time for Appa to leave for office. Amma gives him breakfast. Geeta goes and sits in the chair next to Appa. May I also have an idli, Amma? Amma gives Geeta an idli. Appa eats quickly and leaves for office. Amma and Geeta go back to the table. Geeta eats her idli with a little sugar. She pushes the chair forward and pretends that it is a train. The train goes chuk chuk chuk. Train is now in front of Party. Chuk chuk chuk. Party is reading a newspaper. Geeta, are you riding a train? Have you had breakfast? Party asks Geeta. No, says Geeta. Uma and Usha had breakfast. Appa had breakfast. I haven't had breakfast. Geeta then takes her train to Amma. Amma says, Geeta, I haven't had breakfast yet. Please give me some. So Geeta is asking to give the breakfast again. Please give me some. So children, the lesson was very interesting and very nice, right? I hope you all must have understood it. And now let us see the meanings and the hard words. Amma. Here Amma means mother. Appa. Appa means father. Party. Party means grandmother. Tata. In Tamil, Tata means grandfather. Tinkling in a tumbler. Tinkling is a sharp sound that comes from a glass when you mix it with a spoon. Here the mother was mixing the coffee in a glass. So that is the tinkling in a tumbler. Hump. A round lump on a camel's back. You all must have seen the camel, right? It will be having a big lump on his back. Pretend. To make believe something which is not true. Here, the girl Geeta pretends to be as if she is riding on a horse, and again she pretends as if she is sitting on a camel. So, pretends means to make believe something what is not true. Moustache. Moustache is the hair grown on top of your upper lip. So mostly many of your fathers will be having the moustache. Moustache. So children, these are some hard words which I would like you all to copy down in the notebooks. Please go through the textbook and read the lesson carefully, and also do watch the video for the better understanding. Me or Shobha ma'am will be back soon with one more lesson. Until then, take care children. Bye bye.